how 4 stores and a truck full of sponges became one of the biggest retail success stories in American history. This is the story of Ace. Back in 1924, 4 Chicago store owners pooled their money and bought an entire truckload of sponges and got a much better price than they would have gotten as individual stores. This one smart move lowered their costs, increased their profit margins, and lowered the price they could charge their customers. This got them thinking, hey, since it works so well for sponges, let's do it for everything we sell. And the Ace Hardware Corporation was born. Humble beginnings and hard work are in the DNA of every American success story, and Ace is no exception. From those 4 stores in Chicago, Ace steadily grew, expanding into all 50 states by 1980, and currently 70 countries. As Ace grew, so did its reputation for the best products, the best brands, and amazing customer service. How amazing? Ace won the J.D. Power Award for the highest ranking customer satisfaction 14 out of the last 15 years. Yes, as Ace grew to more than 5,500 stores and more than $22 billion in sales, the service-driven mindset remained constant. Ace exists to help others. That's why Ace is locally embraced around the globe as the helpful place. Of course, not everything stays the same. In 1976, in their new headquarters in Oak Brook, Illinois, CEO and one of the original founders, Richard Hesse, made a bold move. He sold the company to the store owners, and Ace became a retailer-owned cooperative. Because they are shareholders, Ace store owners own part of the company and don't pay franchise or royalty fees. The co-op model also means that every locally owned Ace is part of the neighborhood, with Ace associates that serve their communities both in and outside of their stores. Despite being the #1 hardware distributor in the convenience hardware industry and having the most stores and highest sales, Ace continues to feel very personal, and we take our values very personally. These are our core values at Ace. We think they're pretty helpful.